Hello and welcome to Platinum Trading Academy. Today I'm going to be showing you one of our longer term trades which triggered in last week. So this is our trading floor, which all of our clients have lifetime access to. It's provided with, as you can see, daily analysis, news. We've got charts for the week on our 5 major pairs. We have also intraday trading levels, as you can see there. But the trade I want to talk to you about was provided last week. Let's go to the euro. So as you can see, that this chart, again, provided for our clients when they access our trading floor. As you can see here, we had 0925, which is a pretty strong support and demand area coming through out on the top of that blue zone. So as I say, this was last week. So let me take you to the chart. Right, this is our live euro chart now. As you can see, last Thursday, market spiked. That was on the back of the bank rate decision or the ECB. He literally kissed our zone now at 0925 and shot out over 150 pips. Let me show you that on the algorithm. As you can see there, that's the system working together. Came into our third buy zone of the day, and you could have took that trade and, as I say, made in excess of over 150 pips. Just before I move on, also you can see on this chart we had this is what we call our intraday trading levels. As you can see, they're clearly flagged up on our system as well as our trading floor. And the day before that came into our market cap there for the day. These are intraday trades, sort of 20, 25 pips. And you can see well in excess of 30 pips there. And then last night, actually, the euro obviously was very bearish all day. Late afternoon, it came into our market cap for the day, and you could have made some money overnight. Again, your 20, 25 pips. So if this is something you're interested in, if you could go to our website, platinumtradingacademy.com, click on the free consultation tab, and one of our members of staff will get back to you. As I say, our clients, they're provided one-to-one mentoring sessions for full-time traders. So if there's something that would interest you, as I say, please get in contact and we can give you a free demonstration. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.